Hello everyone, it's 35 here with you, and today we are looking at Solana. By the way, I'm on the 1 week time frame right now. If you remember last time I made a video on Solana whenever we were here, and actually if you have not seen that video, go ahead and watch it because that's where I explain how we got all these levels and how I was able to predict that the price will go somewhere to this area, maybe it will fall lower. Well, actually, we had this one, two, three. And now I told you that we are working on the wave 4 before it's going to go for the wave 5. Also, I showed you this A, B, C that we are working on the wave C. And we have these potential targets over here. I told you that this area is most likely where the price will go. Then if it will go lower, then probably this will be another one, the golden pocket. And also notice that the volume, you had the high volume density over here, that's where the price went. And now it's actually in between this high volume density and over here. So it is still possible that the price may even go lower. But actually what we have is this trend line. And notice how many touch points it had here, and now it's perfectly got hit over here again with our potential targets and there's a 2 point level of the Fibonacci retracement of this structure. So is this a highly potential area for the price to stop and it can bounce from here and go high? Yes, it is. So is this a good time to enter the market for the long-term hodling portfolio or adding more into your hodler's portfolio? Yes. And remember, this is not a financial recommendation. That's how I view the market. That's how I trade. And do not enter on all of your money. Always have some more uh, fiat money like or tether. So if the price will go lower, you'll have a possibility to add more. And actually, it doesn't matter if you bought it here or if it will fall lower if you bought it here, because then whenever the price will go into the wave 5 movement, and how can we predict the possible wave 5 where it can land? We connect the wave 2 and for now the probable wave 4, which will be this trend line, and we just copy it and drag it from the wave 3. That's how we can project the potential target for the wave 5. So if the price, if this is really the point 4 and the C of ABC correction, then the most likely that Solana will fall and will actually go high to retest this area somewhere over here. So if you bought it here, if you go lower and you bought it here, it doesn't matter because there will be a huge potential going high, like over here. That's going to be, just look at that, 14,000% gain. Do you care if you bought it here or if you bought it here? No, actually, that is the time when all the millionaires and billionaires are made because Solana already had 95% drawdown. So if you are a Solana believer, is it a good time to enter the market? Absolutely yes, because there are going to be huge potential movements coming. And am I buying Solana now? I do not have a lot of altcoins in my portfolio, but probably I think I will add a little bit more into my Solana position. It's not going to be a lot. It's probably about 5% out of my total portfolio, but in order to get those gains, I don't mind to add a little bit. If Solana will go to zero, which I doubt is going to happen, but if it will, then it's not going to be a lot that I will lose. So this is how I trade. Also, I want to show you the other indicators like RSI. What you can see is the RSI is had been here in the lowest position ever on Solana. That is another good sign. And some more strong things that I want to show you. Let's go on 3-day time frame. And what I want you to look at here is a very strong divergence. What you can see here is clearly the divergence because the price on RSI, you can see establishing in U, there was the lower low, now it is the higher low, and here was another higher low. But if you look at the price, you can definitely see that it was doing just the series of lower lows. And it's not only on the 3-day time frame. If you go on the daily time frame, um, 1-day time frame, the same thing happens here. What you can see, uh, the price making the series of lower low, but if you go on RSI, you can clearly see here, just look at this huge series of the points. Here was the lower low, here is a higher low, and here's another higher low. So is that a good time? I believe so. And one more time, guys, that is not a financial recommendation. That's how I look at the market. That's how I invest into that, because now I'm talking about a long-term investment, not trading. You gotta be clearly on those two terms. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.